Hello, how are you? I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Today, I'm very excited to be having my December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. December. Remember December Plus. Okay. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Please. But we're going to look and see what we have in here. And because it's not really a card that comes in this bag anymore. Oh, what a beautiful bag it's in. That's gorgeous. But since there's not a card that tells you everything about it, I did some research. I wrote some things down. I did some math ahead of time. So it's very cool. Oh, let's see if I can get this drawstring open. And it is nice and heavy this month. And I'm going to start by pulling out the little card that says, "Time to shine." I feel like I'm shining already with my beautiful silver eyelid. Fucking whatever it is, eyeshadow. Whatever the fuck it is, man. And it says beauty horoscopes. Very cool. I'm a Cancer, and it says keep your travel kit light so you can glow anywhere on a whim. That's very nice. I wish it would just have descriptions of the items and the prices so I didn't have to look it up because I'm a lazy girl. But anyway, let's get in here. And the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Verb, which is a very nice brand of hair care items. And it's the Ghost Prep Weightless Moisture and Heat Protection and Frizz Control. Let's see if we can smell what it smells like. I'm going to open up. I'm going to open it up so I can smell. Because I'm going to use this. Oh, it smells divine. I just got some on my nose. Oh, that's funny. It smells clean and has like a sweetness to it, but it's very cool. I'm very excited about it. And it's got no paraffins, no gluten, no sulfates, which is really great for your hair. And this is $18. 18 doll hairs. And then we have from, I never heard of this company till this box this month, and it's Jekka Black with a C, and it's liquid concealer and number 10, which is the fairest one they had because I'm a fair lady. And I think it is a black owned company, which is fantastic. And oh God, it's dripping. There it is. It was dripping. It's dripping. It's making a mess. It's very liquidy. I'm not liking that. It's a hot mess. But it is a nice pale color. I had a little leftover foundation on, but it's a little yellow for me. That was a mess. It just came pouring out. And this is $13.45. Very exact numbers. I might give it a try, but it was not, I'm used to like a creamier kind of consistency for my concealer. And this I'm really excited about from Playa. Play On Playa. Violet Brightening Shampoo. I usually have my hair bleached blonde to some extent all the time. And Violet Shampoo, what it does is it helps counteract brassiness that occurs with bleached hair and colored hair. And I'm going to be getting new hair next week. Ooh, yeah, stay tuned. There's going to be a big hair reveal, probably on my live stream on Tuesday, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. And this shampoo is $28. Louie's attacking the plastic bag, of course. Then we have from Elemis, which we love Elemis. It's a very high-end, nice company that has great skincare, and it's advanced skincare, and it is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. And as we know, eye creams are always in little tubes, but this is a decent sized tube. And peptides are great, and it says the skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. Peptides and Star of Venus help deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness are reduced or appear reduced. Anyway, so this is $49, which is right, you know, not a bad price for a high-end eye cream. And then we have one last thing in here, and it is from Kate Somerville, and it is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, which is great, and this is $70. And this is very sought after, good reputation, winky little face. It's amazing stuff. Let's see if it's got a smell. Ooh, it's green. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like bergamot and other delicious things. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna have to keep that for myself. Sometimes I sell some of my things on Mercari, but man, this I'm gonna keep for me for sure. So our bag total today is $178.45, which is great because they did raise the price to $29.99, I think, for the Glam Bag Plus. So we got the Kate Somerville, we got the weird concealer, we got the Verb hair treatment, we got the Play On Violet shampoo, and we got the Elemis eye cream. So this is a great bag, and it's a great value. I'm very excited. Everything in here is really nice, except for I think this. I don't think this is that nice. But it's good value for this month, and I actually will use a lot of it. So with that, I will bid you a farewell and a great day, and I hope your holidays are going well. I hope everything comes together at the last minute like it always does, and we will see you real soon. Bye.